Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the ADT doorbell camera keeps going offline in 2026. Now, your ADT doorbell camera is not just a standalone device. It depends on the ADT system or the gateway. So if your ADT hub or the panel is offline, the doorbell is also going to basically disconnect. So you need to first of all check your main system status inside the application, and then you can restart the gateway if needed. Now, if you have found that the system is online, then the issue is likely local to the doorbell. So the front doors often have weaker Wi-Fi due to the walls and the distance. Even if your internet works inside, the signal at the doorbell may be unstable. So you need to first of all test the signal strength near the door. If it is weak, you can use a Wi-Fi extender, or you can also move the router closer. If the signals are strong, then you can also check the power stability. So ADT doorbell relies on the wired power from your existing doorbell system. So if the voltage drops or the wiring is loose, the device may disconnect repeatedly. If you notice restarts or flickering, this is likely a power related issue. If the power is stable, then the issue may be the network behavior. So some of the routers uses the advanced features like band steering and the device isolation. This can also cause the smart devices to disconnect. So you need to switch to 2.4 GHz network and disable blocking features temporarily. If your network is already stable, then you can also try refreshing the connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.